Good morning, wherever you're at in the world. It's morning here. Welcome to another walk around video. Here we have for sale a 2003 Ford Explorer XLS sport utility with 69,000 original miles. Oh, sorry about that. One owner since new, California title. Really nice, clean, well-maintained SUV. As we walk around here, tow package, brand new tires, brand new brakes, oil change, belts. This vehicle has been fully serviced. It needs nothing but a new home. Quick walk around, real nice, clean, straight body, good paint. All factory, all original. Look on the inside real quick. Super clean interior, no rips, no stains, no burns, no smells. Back seats. Everything's all good. By the way, we do have the factory floor mats. They're being professionally shampooed as we speak. I mean, look, door panels, everything's just really nice and crisp. Take you to the back seats. There's a back storage there, 2 compartments that open up. Now I'll open this up for you, I guess. There you go. Nice. Here's one. There's the jack, the spares underneath. Storage there. Storage here. These back seats fold flat too. If you can sleep back here or store or haul longer stuff. Family and or cargo. Brand new tires. You see they're knee deep in rubber. Just installed those. Like I said earlier, brand new brakes all the way around. Nice, there's the clean roof. We also have a ton of pictures on our website along with this video. So everything that I'm showing you here is also available on my website in picture form. It's a beautiful, reliable, durable, famous 4.0 liter V6 engine. Fairly new AAA battery, brand new belts, fresh oil change. Like I said, it's ready to go. 69,000 original miles, clean CARFAX, one owner since new. Purchased new and maintained in California. No rust, no issues. I think that'll do it for the walk around video. We do a one take here, no edits. You have any questions? Give us a call. Schedule your test drive. We provide the free CARFAX report to look at on our website. There you go. Thanks for looking.